Welcome back to Cruising with the Wild Herons. During our weekly cleaning of the air conditioning filter, we found these critters. Any idea what they are? We have 7 marine split AC systems that Tad cleans out the filters about once a week. We also use Barnacle Buster periodically to flush out the whole system and keep it from clogging up. In Wilmington, we had problems with sucking up mud in the air conditioning system, but here in Charleston, it's a whole different story. This was the water that Tad pulled out of the air conditioning filter system. It had all these little critters swimming around in there. We cleaned out the system the very next day and again still found these critters. What are they? They're disgusting. They look like roaches. Our diver said he calls them river roaches and they're everywhere. Let me know in the comments if you've ever found anything like this in your air conditioning system. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Cruising with the Wild Herons. Ciao.